Alright, y'all, Hscustomaudio Designs with a quick update on what I've been working on. The 68 Chevelle. I am finished with it. Not well, I just gotta put the seats back in and stuff. Redid his carpet. Did him a console with his gauges in there. We was gonna put the switches in there, but we changed our mind. But I thought it would look better just, with everything flush in the console. So there's nothing really standing out on anything. We got the back deck done. They're not complete yet. I'm still working on the inserts right there. It's just an insert. So, and it looks pretty good with just a flat black. But I'm gonna do something with the grills just to get that, keep that initial sunlight off the speakers. But I swear it looked good with just the flat black. Cause he's gonna get it back window tinted, but I don't trust tint like that when it comes to speakers just sitting in the back. But just want to give y'all a quick update on what I've been working on. I got a couple of other things I've been working on, but this was the main thing, just to show y'all this bad boy is all lit up. Trying to keep this video short. See there? Yeah. And that's a multicolored deck. You can set it up what color you want. And we got some lights in here. I don't know how good that shows up, but green lights match the car. Alright, Hscustomaudio Designs. Get ready for part 2 with everything put back in, cleaned up. Over and out. Peace.